Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to talk and discuss more about interface. So in Solidity, an interface is a way to define the structure or blueprint of a contract without implementing its functionality. It declares the method, their signatures, and the events that a contract should have without providing the actual implementation details. Interface are used to enforce a specific standard or structure that other contracts can adhere to. They establish a set of functions that other contracts can implement, ensure compatibility and interactions between different contracts. So, how does that work? As usual, we're going to type SPDX license identifier MIT as the license, and then type pragma. And then we are going to use caret 0.8.20 as the current version of the Solidity. And then first thing first, we are going to use an example of counter of increment. So type contract and then named it with counter. Open up the curly braces. And then inside of this contract, type uint public and then named it with count. Alright. And then type function. And then named it with increment empty parentheses. And then type external. And then inside of this function, type count as the name of our uint. And then plus is equals to 1, like this. So we are going to try this contract first, deploy it, right? We can deploy it. You can also see the detail down below, right here, and then, all right, looks like good. Okay, so after this, we are going to try some interface. Wait a minute, there you go. Alright. So, first thing first, type interface. And then the name of the interface. People use to name capital I, and then the name of the contract. So we are going to use I, capital I, and capital C, counter, like this. All right, and then after that, we are going to create two functions. Terminal. We don't have to put curly braces after the end of the function in the interface contract. So, yeah. And then another function is increment empty parentheses type external terminal, like this. And then this we are going to type external field returns. We are going to returns the value of uint, like this. And then after we created interface, we have to type another contract in order to calling up the interface function. And then after that, named it with my contract, for example. And then inside of this contract, type two functions, increment counter, and then get counter. All right. Inside of this function of increment counter, type external. And then inside of this function, type the name of the interface, iCounter, underscore counter, dot increment. All right. And then instead of this argument, type address and then underscore counter. Same thing like get counter. Type address and then underscore counter. And then type HTML view returns a viewing like this. And then type return I counter as the name of the interface. And then inside of this argument, type underscore counter and then dot count. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot about empty parentheses. All right, we could and then deploy my contract. All right, see it? Wait a minute, we are going to see the detail right here. All right. Okay, we good. And then see the detail right here. We have to put some address from the previous contract. And then we are going to try it. All right. We increment it. And then boom. All right. Very good. You can also do some increment between these two contracts. So, for example, I'm gonna count this and then get in this. Something like I'm gonna to increment in this contract, and then I'm gonna get to this contract. All right. Looks like we could. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.